Hello coders, I will be guiding you to create a batch file in which based on the month of your local system, that is your local computer, a folder will be created. So we will be achieving this step by step. So first of all we need to open up Notepad and create some batch file. So let's search for Notepad, and first of all we will be writing a line like @echo of. This line particularly means that in the command prompt, each of the steps are not to be printed. Fine. Now we'll be calling in PowerShell to do something. So we'll be writing command, and then inside quotation we will be saying get date. We need to fetch the date. Fine. Then we need to convert it to string, and this string will be printing not the year, not the day, but the month. Means the month as a whole, means not oct, oct, nov, dec, jan, feb, not like that, january, february, something like that. Now let me close the braces and let's close this double inverted quotation. Let's save it as a batch file in this experiment folder, desktop experiment. I'll be naming this as fold.bat, and I'll be converting all files and then save it. Fine. Now what I'll be doing is that I need to see that what it is printing. So I'll be writing cmd to open up DOS prompt, and in this DOS prompt I'll be executing this particular batch file. So fold.bat is printing October. Now we all know that to make a directory mkdir, maybe the directory name is something like Samsung, that's the mobile I am using. Fine. So somehow this October is to be appended make directory Samsung. That is our goal, right? So what we need to do is that first of all we need to remove it. So rd means remove directory. Voila, Samsung is gone. Now we need to edit this batch file. Now we cannot just store this in a, we need to store this in a variable. So the process is something like for -f percentage a in. So what does this particular line, whatever I have written as of now, what does this line mean? So this particular line, this up to this particular line, this is a loop which captures the output of the PowerShell. So percentage a, so I have whatever there is this PowerShell command which I have written, it is being stored in something like variable a. Now I need to set this a variable to another variable, so that make directory that variable. So what I'll be doing is that after that I'll be writing do set. I'll be setting this particular, so I'll be creating a variable month. You can name it any, you know that variable is something you can give any name. So I'll be storing this month percentage a, and you can give here anything, you can try it with b. So let me repeat, percentage /f, this particular line, this line what it does is that this is a loop which captures the output of the PowerShell command. So whatever PowerShell command you are writing, the PowerShell command which I am showing in here, the PowerShell command can change, but if you want to store the PowerShell command in a particular variable, so this is the line. Now to store that PowerShell variable to another variable, local variable, you need to do set month, something like this. Now all you need to do is that you need to make mkdir to make a directory, and so make directory. What is the name of the variable? Our variable name is month. We'll be pressing Ctrl S from our keyboard to save this particular batch file and close this window. Now let's double click on bat. nothing happened. uh, Nothing happened. So I think there is some error in my code. Let me recheck my code. Edit. Let's check it one more time. Are there any spaces? Let me check. For space slash f space percentage a in PowerShell. Okay, so this PowerShell is a total, this is a command. So this PowerShell will be beginning in here and it will end. So PowerShell command, so this is this quotation started in here, this quotation should end in here. After that there will be a single quotation and then bracket close. So within single quote, so the line is something like this. We are writing first bracket open, then this inside the PowerShell command, whatever it is, PowerShell command whatever it is, and the PowerShell command is being written within double quote. So this is the PowerShell command. After that we are closing the PowerShell and then the bracket. So let's see, let's check out whether now it works or not. I'll be again pressing Ctrl S from my keyboard. Let's close this one, run this file one more time. Yeah, so it's showing month. So there is still some error. So let me right click on it and edit. So I said make directory month. So month, I mean make directory month. So month, here month is referring a string and not at the variable which I have declared in here. So to declare it, I mean to refer this as the variable of that particular type, we need to type in percentage here. Now let's press Ctrl S and let's close this particular command prompt and run this command one more time. Okay, October. So in the context of this particular batch file video, I'll be showing you another thing, that in problems of CMOS batteries, that is complementary metal oxide semiconductor, your month and days, those shows in a different way. I mean the correct date and time is not being shown. So to change the date and time, you can simply type window R and then CMD and then Control Shift Enter to open the command, I mean to open the DOS prompt as an administrator. Then you can write date to change the date. So it's DDMMYY. So give anything, whatever day you wish. So today is 16th. I'll be changing the month. So the month was October. I'll be giving something like maybe January 01 and then 2024 and press enter. So I think my date has changed. My system date and time has been changed. Yeah, see, it's showing January. Now the thing which I did in here is just to show that every month, if you click on this fold.bat, see, now you are having January. So if you just create a batch file something like this, you will be having a folder. I mean you will be having a folder. Each folder will be having a name of January, then February, then March. So that's something not very handful, or you can use it, you can just try it out. And on this context also, I'll be showing you another thing, that how to store the date and time in a similar way, that if you wish to make some file in which you will be making a directory where the date and time will be, I mean the folder name will be date and time. So make directory, we will be extracting the time from our system and we will be giving this thing, and comma %2. So %2 basically means that if it is, I mean up to 2 places, we will be appending with again %time, and then we will be giving this 3. So if it is let me give 3. So if it is 1645 means 4 plus 2 6. So 1645 means 4 p.m. 45 minutes. So these 3 means extract the value from the third position 1 4. The third position is 4, and how many characters you want to extract? I want to extract only 2 characters. So again give %2. Let's save this file. We'll be again saving this file inside this particular folder, I mean desktop. And then we'll be going to experiment and we'll be naming this as time.bat. Remember guys, while saving this kind of file, batch file, save as type should be all files. Now save this file and close this particular prompt. Now let's click on time.bat. We are having 2.2. So it's 1028. So 2.2 means it's 1028. So 10 means 22. 2.2. Okay, fine. Let's edit this one more time. Let's see what I did. So time 0, make directory, fine. Okay, so this won't be %2. This will be 2%. So we'll be extracting 2 places, and then again for the again 2 places. Let's save it, Control S. Let's close this one. Let's click on time.bat. So we are having 22.28. So the minute, I mean the moment the time changes to 10.28 to 10.29, so it's almost 10.29. Voila, we have 10.29. Now if you click on this particular time.bat, you will be having a folder naming 22.29. So that's what I showed you in this particular video, that how to create a batch file with the name of the month and with the name and with time. So that's all for this short tutorial. Thank you guys and happy coding.